I'm here playing the after party to the show that we never did. Yeah, I'm here at Dusk till Dawn. I'm hooking up with my Beta, the family, the Tortree crew's playing here. It's been a long time since I played in Sheffield, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. It's wicked of Phil to invite me up here, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Oh, Bumper Cloud. Oh, Rascal.
I'm Barry Asher from Love Pistols. You must watch Bumper Clock Media. Every time you're in town, make sure you switch on that, turn on, tune in and drop out.